Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: latest Android, enough storage, and a simple backup so you can revert if needed. Once installed, open NetGuard and grant the VPN permission. This enables traffic control without root. Make sure to deny any unnecessary permissions that aren't required. Next, tap the app list to load installed apps and allow the initial traffic scan to complete. You'll see data usage and connection attempts. This first step sets the app's control plane so you can take precise actions. Now you refine control by setting defaults. Choose global allow or block, then create per app overrides so critical apps stay functional. Use IP4 versus IP6 toggles and specify a custom DNS if you want filtering or ad blocking. Once done, open an app entry and toggle Wi-Fi, mobile data, and background access. This is where you stop background leaks and save battery. Also set port or host filters for advanced blocking. These targeted rules prevent unwanted connections. Finish by applying all rules and watching the live connection view to confirm expected behavior. This validates your configuration. Export a backup of the profile so you can restore settings after updates. If an app breaks, check NetGuard's logs to see which hosts or ports were blocked and modify that specific rule rather than flipping everything open. If connectivity fails broadly, disable the VPN, test network access, then re-enable NetGuard step by step to isolate the problematic rule or permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.